Good morning, good morning, good morning. You are chilling with your man Shaheed Jones in the mother in morning on 957. We have a special guest in the building today. JIRA Illusive. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. I went to the depths of the earth to get this one for y'all. If y'all haven't followed the alkaline diets, I recommend that you do so immediately. There will be a food shortage if you are not growing your food. I'm telling y'all. This brother right here is going to take your mind to the next level. He's going to elevate your spirit. JIRA Illusive. Let's get it, my brother. You are chilling with Shaheed Jones in the mother flipping morning, and you are listening to JIRA Illusive. The PM throws the ticket over my fence, and I throw it right back. I just got done doing some PHP, some Ruby on Rails, and some old school HTML. I hope you can't tell. I hope you can't tell. Now you see me, now you don't. That's how it be on the Kanban boards. I come in and then I go out. I go out, I fade away. And then I come right back. Because I need a job. I need a job. I need to pay my bills just like you. And we gonna kick it. How many designers does it take to work on a pod and just create? It's like an animal, I really can't tell. I just got paid a salary. Oh well. I thought that this career in UX was in demand. Now I'm seeing that I'm just doing all that I can. I'm backed up, I'm stocked up, I'm overworked. Let me just get mad and pull off my shirt because I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm frustrated. I have an overload of JIRA tickets in my Kanban board. What's going on here? I'm confused. Who's the manager? Somebody call the manager. Where's the lead engineer? Where's the back-end engineer? Where's the PM? I'm doing this all by myself. The company thought that they could just hire me and do all of it? And do all of it. Really? Really?